brain's not working. Let me kind of clear things. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Welcome aboard the Hot Mess Express, aka another stressed mother just trying to get everything done before Christmas. In all seriousness though, y'all, thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I have some last minute rushed wrapping that I need to do. With Christmas being just a couple days away, I've been procrastinating, but not on purpose. I'm sure you can relate. It just happened to be that way. So I've got to do some wrapping. So let's just hang out, chit chat, and get this done. So I had my fish sticks for lunch, so I'm fueled up and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my toddler girls' presents first. And just a disclaimer that I am just a regular mom that has Dollar Tree wrapping paper, so nothing fancy going on here. So just a heads up on that. Let's go ahead and get started. My brain's not working. Bear with me, I'm trying to think while I talk. Sometimes I have a hard time doing like too many things at one time. So let me kind of clear things out of the way. Like, what do you think about this year? Was it a good year for you? Like, did everything just happen to fall into place just the way you thought it would? Yeah, this year, like, you know how you start out where you're just like, okay, hold on, let me get her toys. I'm gonna start with a big square because that'll be the easiest first. Oh yeah, hold on. I got wrapping paper. This is for my daughter Reese. At the Dollar Tree, I got this one to wrap her presents in. It's just little penguins and Santa. Some other wrapping paper I got at the Dollar Tree. Please excuse my random hacking. I'm getting over a sickness. Look, I found this Buddy the Elf wrapping paper, and I was gonna wrap my husband's presents. I was gonna wrap my husband's presents in it, and I forgot that I had it. So maybe next year. And then I'm wrapping my bonus girls' presents in this really cute Hello Kitty wrapping paper. Isn't it adorbs? It's so cute. So let's talk. We can chit chat while I'm wrapping a little bit. Y'all catch me up. Tell me what's going on. Are you already done with your wrapping? Are you like all done with your shopping? Like, let me know because I still have shopping to do too. Like seriously, I am so far behind. It's not even funny. Am I the only one? Please tell me I'm not the only one. It's just been a heck of a month, to be honest with you. And I'm so excited because my little one, she's at the age where she's like starting to kind of understand a little bit about Christmas and the magic of Christmas and the holidays, and even though we know what it's really all about, Jesus' birthday, we still, have fun and all of that. All right, here we go. Sorry, I'm gonna try and talk while I wrap, but like I said, my brain doesn't function sometimes. Bear with this expectant mother. I'm so glad they have lines on the back of paper now, aren't you? It makes it so much easier to cut in a straight line. It's just been a whirlwind trying to keep up with everything. I mean, we've had a lot of big blessings. I mean, hence the new baby on the way. I mean, that was huge, us finding that out. Still haven't found out what we're having yet because my appointment keeps getting pushed back. I'm actually like 22 weeks right now, so I should be able to know the gender, but a series of unfortunate events took over to where my appointment keeps getting pushed back. So now I'm gonna find out in January what we're having. Oh, my husband's home. He's gonna think I've gone nuts. I told him I was filming a video, but he doesn't know what's going on in the living room right now. I feel like I have gone nuts a little bit. Maybe it's the pregnancy. Maybe it's the weather. I don't know. I guess while we're at it, we can talk about New Year's resolutions. Do y'all do that? Do you do New Year's resolutions? If you do, I'd love to hear them. This year, for me, I think I'd like to try and stay ahead on my YouTube channel a little bit more if I'm able to. It is really hard to do if you work full time because YouTube in itself is a job and a half. I love YouTube. I have so much fun making videos. It's just a lot of work. Hi, Lovey Dovey. Hi. I think I'm crazy.
Sure. You're nuts.
Alright, so here's the first one. So red, you think red? I do have blue. I think I'll do red for this one. Ta-da! I'm glad most of her stuff is like in a box shape this year because that makes it a lot easier to wrap. Okay, let's do, uh-oh. Thank you, Jesus, for the lines. Okay, hold on, I gotta focus. I need to focus for a minute, so let me just wrap this one up. Let's not waste a good bow. Just put this on there. Right there. 2 down. So I did a lot of ordering online. How do y'all feel about ordering online? It is very convenient, but I feel like I always get the most beat up boxes. Oh man. You hate it whenever you get hair stuck in the tape. Okay, now we need another bow. I ran out of the big pieces of the little Santa snowman paper. I also have this peppermint paper that will look good along beside it, and I got this at the Dollar Tree as well. And I'll be able to wrap the bigger ones because I've got this one, I've got her baby doll, and I also have her tablet. So this should be enough for that. They blend, so that works. do have enough to wrap the tablet in this. So I'm really excited about this tablet. If you saw my what I got my toddler for Christmas video, somebody was sharing with me how much like educational games and stuff is on here, and I wasn't really sure about the educational part, and I'm all for some learning some stuff. I'm even more excited about it now. So okay, next one, we'll do a pretty lime green. We've got her baby, which that won't fit. Does that look all right? Ta-da! Gold works, right? We'll do gold. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Alright guys, we did it. We are officially done wrapping my toddler's gifts. I feel like that's all I can do for today before she wakes up. So now I gotta clean up this mess. I just wanted to say thank you for hanging out with me today and my goofy self. I hope that you're having a good day. Don't forget to like this video and give it a big old thumbs up and leave me a comment and say hello. And I will see y'all in the next video. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.
Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights.